हेलो गाइस, कैसे हैं आप? टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अ important topic, that is agriculture income. So please like, subscribe and turn the bell icon and share the video with maximum of your friends. So guys, let's start. Agriculture income is the income which constitutes the following activities: rent or revenue received from agriculture land situated in India. So now you can see this is the important one, that the agriculture land which is only situated in India, and from that if you get any income, that is the agriculture income. Rent is the consideration for grade of land on lease income derived from agriculture land in the following ways: the basic operation and subsequent operation include cultivation of the land, sowing of seeds, planting, and all such operations that require the human skill and efforts directly on the land itself. Subsequent operation include operation that are carried out for the growth and presentation of the produce, like digging soil around the crops grown, and also those operations which would make the produce fit for the use in the market, like cutting, harvesting, etc. So you can see there are various kinds of agriculture incomes, and there are also various types of agriculture lands which are cultivated in India. So also considered to be the agriculture income. Though through performance of a process by the cultivation, such process involves manual or mechanical operation that are ordinarily employed to make the agriculture produce fit for the market. Through sale of agricultural produce, the income arising on sale would generally be partly agriculture income, and the part of it will be non-agriculture income. So students, I would tell you some non-agriculture incomes also, like annuity payable to vendor of agriculture land or to a person giving up his claim to a piece of agriculture land, commission for selling agriculture produce, income from dairy farm, forest produce resulting from wild growth, fisheries, gaining of cotton, harvesting of crop or purchased land, rearing of silkworms, income from quarries, royalty income from mines. So these are the non-agriculture incomes where you can't say they are agriculture income at all. Income derived from farm building required for the agriculture operation. The building should be on or in immediate vicinity of the agriculture land, and is one which the receiver of the rent, by a reason of connection with the land, require the building as a house to stay or as a storehouse, or uses it for these kind of situations. Means you can say the farm building should be situated near the agriculture land, then only you can avail all these facilities which are there. The land is assessed by either land revenue or the local rate assessed by government, and if they are above conditions all satisfied, the land should not be located within the region taxation of agriculture income. Agriculture income is exempted from the Income Tax Act as laid down a method to indirectly tax. This method may be called as partial integration. Its aim at taxing the non-agriculture income at a higher rate of tax. This method is applicable when the following conditions are there: net agriculture income is greater than 5,000 during the year. So now these are the conditions which are applicable for the partly agriculture income. Non-agriculture income is greater than rupees 2.5 lakhs for individual below 60 years of age, greater than rupees 3 lakh for an individual between 60 to 80 years of age, greater than rupees 5 lakh for individual 80 years of age. In simple term, the non-agriculture income should be greater than maximum amount not chargeable to tax as per the slab rates. So students, now you can read all the slides and then understand what is agriculture income. I have already told you in simple language what agriculture income is. Thank you, and like, subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Thanks a lot.